Alright, Darin Martineau with ProMagicArt.com. How's everyone doing today? Today I'm going to show you a great little effect for restaurants and for table hopping for close-up. You have a pack of matches, okay? And what you're going to do, this is a preset. You're going to take a black Sharpie pen, okay? And you're going to take one of the matches and you're going to bend it back. You're going to just make that, color that in on both sides, okay? What this will do, you also want to do it on the edges. What this will do is make this look like a burnt match in a moment. So I'm going to show you a close-up of that, okay? We can zoom in on it. Just going to put some of the black marker on it. This is a really clever idea. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're gonna take a thumb tip, okay? And I like to use the rubber thumb tips. Sometimes the plastic ones for different things, but this is use a smaller size, because what I'm going to do is cut off just the tip, okay? You can even make it smaller depending on what object you're going to vanish. For this, we're going to vanish a match, so it could be even smaller than this, but this is just for an example, okay? So this is the tip of a thumb tip. Okay, now this is going to be on your middle finger when you start this, okay? And it's going to be hidden behind, and this is going to be folded back, okay? The one that you've colored in with the Sharpie, it's going to be hidden behind your thumb like this. Now you could take out a bunch of matches and you could have them count the matches if you want to do that, which I'm not for this, but sometimes I will do that depending on if you're running out of matches and say there's like 10 left, and they can count them, or you can count them as you show. It's nice to have them to be able to count them because they're right here, right? You don't show them the other side. Now what you're going to do is you're going to show this thing, okay? And this would be held down so they wouldn't see all this. And you're going to pull out one match, okay? Pull out one match. So if there was 10, you say we're going to take one out. Okay, leaves us with 9. Now, as you close this is what's going to happen here. Your finger's going to close in, you're going to finger palm this, the thumb tip, and you're going to close this behind here. You're going to close this in here so it'll look like that. Okay? But what you're going to do is you're going to strike this on the back. Okay? You strike it. Now, you will close this with one hand here. Okay? And what you will do, you will blow up the match. This will be set down in full view. Okay? Back up so you can see. So we have the thumb tip here, right? This was finger palmed. It could be on the finger or the thumb, however you want to do it. So you blow this out. You're then going to put this inside the thumb, okay? Very simply, squash it in there. Make a little crushing motion, and then you're going to vanish this. Now, what I do is I do a hand brush showing both sides. I do a hand transfer with the thumb, which is nice, okay? Now what this will do is when you show this thing empty, you're going to come over and you're going to take it off as you do a wiped clean. Now what is that for? You'll see why. Inside of here, you're going to have them open it. They're holding on to it. They count the matches and they'll see that there's the exact amount. There's one burnt one in there, okay? So that was supposedly the one that you vanished, right? So if there was only 9, now the 10th one is back and it's burnt, as you can see, okay? So this is very strong. You have to make sure they can see this. Now you're going to take this off, okay? And even though it's burnt, what you're going to do is you're going to light it, and it's going to light up, and it's going to restore it. See, so like it's come back. So that's a nice little effect. Hope you enjoy that. And please like, subscribe, and share, and enjoy the magic. Thank you.